Got home, immediately passed out. Got up this morning, had to go get gas for the welder. What's up, Cook? Got some brekkie, got some coffee. And now we're out here laying sickest dimes on this. He's got to cut another little strip. We got to get that on. Then the rest of the goal for today is to paint this entire car. No big deal. And just like that, June 3 got the fender on. So all four on, everything's fitting. Look how wide that thing is. That is insane. That is insane. And with the wing on there, it's gonna look so good. Now we gotta take everything off. That's the fun part about installing a body kit, is taking everything off. One thing we did find out is that K-Mura is gonna have to make some adjustments to the backside of this flare to bring it in a little bit more and extend the front out. So we actually have to ship the front bumper all the way back to Japan. They're gonna fix it, paint it, ship it all the way back here, and then it's gonna have to get installed while I'm gone out of the country. But yeah, we're cooking with oil. Next steps is to fix all the little dents. They've already gone ahead and circled everything where there's dents and stuff all around the car, on the hood. He's gonna fix all those with the body filler. And then basically, after June 1 and I get back from the shop from dropping the bumper off, then it's time to get our sand on and get real dirty and get this thing ready to be painted. Goal is to have this entire chassis painted today. That's crazy. That's crazy. The sanding party begins. Already got the fenders. We need to get the car back on wheels. Get the whole thing down. Need to mask this off. We did the underside of the hood already. But yeah, so this is the super fun part, as you can see. Body parts, car, June 3, fixing all the holes, shaving the badges, fixing the dents, getting high as fuck right now off of whatever that is. It's cancer in a can. June looks cool with his sunglasses on. Things are happening. Just moved from outside to inside. The bodywork is smooth on the car. We're giving it the final wipe down with the glass cleaner, and then it's time to spray the bug and tar remover as a final step. And then this will be the last time that this car is white. Ah, nice product plug. I had to mask off all these stupid things in here. That was super fun. June's looking stylish. Car's looking like a pink garbage bag. Held by a French homeless guy that's trying to sell you a microwave at midnight that he found in the trash can.
On a Tuesday.
On a Tuesday. But all the progress. Arigato, William. Arigato. June says, so gratitude. So gratitude.
Yes. I can't say I can't find in another word. Just a
Gratitude.
Just a gratitude. Respect.
Respect. We're about to use some science.
Matt.
That's some math.
So,
So that thing looks at that color and then tells you what color you need to put in the paint, and then you go pick it up. That's sick. So Will, what's your friend's name?
which one?
The one that's about to help us with some clear coat and stuff.
Oh, Rob Vanderslice. Probably.
You should Google that.
Yeah, you really
By
should.
the way.
His Rob Vanderslice paint jobs. The craziest.
I pulled it up in the first picture. I was like, my brain exploded.
The biggest. He actually holds the record for the biggest flake on a car. He sprayed this shit out of a stucco gun.
Oh my god.
It's gnarly.
That's insane.
You'll see his car.
So he's helping us out with some clear, and you think he's gonna mix our paint, right?
Yeah.
So big shout out to him, but I don't think I need an introduction because I'm telling you, you just need to Google that guy. It's absolutely insane. But thanks for helping us out, man. We really appreciate it. He does his own clear coats. Look at this. All this kind of stuff. So good. And there it is. Jesus Christ, that's so much work.
That's crazy. Yeah, see, look, all.
That's
You
so
know what I mean?
much
Lots of crazy. You know what I mean?
Crazy is a good word for it.
Yep.
It's so good.
Yeah.
Like a ghost.
like
Yep.
a ghost car.
Yep.
Ghost paint.
And it's like orange on this side and then blues on
Blue,
this
I
side.
like that.
You know what I mean?
All these
Show
covers, the
with all the
Lowrider
stuff,
magazine from the 90s up, even a 300Z.
Same thing did this one. You know what I mean? Centerfold.
So crazy.
Same thing. This one crazy. Lots of craziness. You know what I mean? Lots of craziness. I cut this. Hey, Sean. Appreciate it.
This is Rob's own brand of stuff, which is awesome. So he's helping us out with this. The clear, the reducer, everything. It's so good. Yeah, man, we appreciate the hell out of this.
Definitely.
And it's cool that you're local too.
Yeah,
That's
definitely.
what helps a lot. Just drove over here.
Yeah, for sure.
And I have the same bug zapper in my house.
That's fine, man. Mosquitoes.
Oh, dude, they're insane this year.
It's crazy.
It's horrible.
Yep.
Oh, the car is blue. It is blue as. Actually, it's like a teal. The video doesn't show it very well, but it does look like the color of June's R33. It looks way blue in here, but it's not. It's kind of a teal. Arigato. Hi.
100% my color.
June was skeptical about the blue. Now he is 100%.
Yes.
We're gonna check it out. They just put
This is it.
3 coats of clear. No, that's fire safety. Yo, over here. God damn it. Sumimasen. Hi. Oh my god. It's so shiny. Fuck. Yeah, 100% June's color. Even with the shitty lights. It looks good. Woo! 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 Yeah. Good job. Sayonara. Look at that. The car is back in Cook's garage. We just went to Harbor Freight, assembled a bunch more stands that we could actually get sanding, which is what the JV boys are doing right now. We got all these fresh stands. Gotta flip the hood over, gotta do the other side of the doors, the hatch. side skirts, fenders, and this thing's pretty much done. So lots more prep work today, and then let it dry, and then assemble. Little holes in any of the welding sealed up. June painted the inside of the wheel well. It's looking factory. And covered any of the holes in these things as well. Same with the other side. The paint booth just cleared up, so all those guys are getting all of that stuff ready. This is all painted also. Looking fresh. Now we are smashing the pinch welds like you have to do on every single lowered car, because when you run aggressive offsets, it'll hit on everything. So we've pounded it flat all the way through, and now we got to do the other side. Little dude came to join us working on the race car. Careful. Yeah, you can turn the wheel. Standard drift car stuff. Got to tuck the harness, so retaped it and cut this gap out right here. So that'll allow us to pull that up as high as we humanly can to not have it get squished by the suspension, and then run inside instead of outside on this where it used to be. So the June's finished polishing, putting on the doors, rear fenders on, all the rubber molding is back on, doors going back in, plug is in, push. Since we don't have a front bumper or fenders anymore, it's just going to be fenderless and bumperless. We're going to cover it with plastic and end up driving it back to my shop tomorrow. We've already started bringing the other Z stuff over. June 3, June 2, good job. Super daijoubu. Super daijoubu. Car's looking goddamn sick. It's almost all back together. That came out really cool. Carbon fiber, fake. So that's all right. We'll maybe fix that, maybe not. Back on four wheels. Body kit is wide. We are sunk like a battleship right now, boys and girls. But looking like a car again. All the trunk stuff is back together. A few more things to do on this. Final assembly. Drive back to my shop. Immediately start on that garbage. The other Z is going to be a whole lot more work. But until then, see you mañana. Hatch is back on. This car, we ran into a little snag with one of the nut certs for the wing, so couldn't put that back on. Everything else is on. Hood is on. This thing's looking almost complete. Like a goddamn hovercraft. So, in the meantime, while he's getting that nut cert out, we've already started on June 1's Z stuff. So now Z32 time. Got the hood here, got the doors, got the hatch. Currently manually scraping window tint from 1976 off. So that's fun, huh, June? Daijoubu.
Super tired.
Yeah. Well, piece of shit number one has arrived, and I'm not talking about Shay. I'm talking about that piece of shit. There it is. It's got a motor in it. It's on Fortunes. It's on all GKTech arms. And it needs a lot of work. Ugh. But it's here. Shay saved us a bunch of time by coming to drop this thing off, so big shout out to him and Tenths for just getting this thing where it's going. They had to beat the ever-living shit out of the transmission tunnel, so all the nice paint we had no longer there. So we're gonna have to touch that up. Good thing we know some painters. But yeah, so engine's in. Suspension is on. Now we just need to get it looking like that. No big deal.
Awesome. Excited for Toyota.
Oh, shout out.
You should put the drift stuff on.
Yeah, it's getting all the GKTech stuff, just like that one.
Howdy, you know? Yeah. Okay.
Well, isn't the 350Z stuff like it's kind of tucked in, right? Or can you stick it?
Oh, you can stick it out. So, but we're not gonna need to because the wheels are such crazy offsets and widths.
Dashboard side is because everything is suede got already.
We can make I can make a template and we can make a water jet.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, this thing, whilst we were doing all of this, Tenths had it, and they were doing all the suspension. All the stuff is GKTech now. It's on the Fortunato coilovers. Shay has the motor in. They're talking about what's going to go on the dash and all of that stuff. We started sanding. Aaron and I took all the tint off the old window. We're making progress. Now I have to drive this thing in its horrible fitment state back to my shop where it's going to hide until we get the rest of the front end to put back on, because that's what's happening. We did test fit the bumper, which looks really cool. Ta-da. And the fenders, which looks really cool. Ta-da. And the side skirt, which looks really cool. Shay's ass. And then the rear fender, which is taped on lovingly. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. This one doesn't need the modifications that one needed, so we can continue as planned. Hachi, hachi, hachi. Progress. Most of the kit is on. They're getting to the final corner. Front's on. Skirts are still just kind of hanging out, but the other front's on. He's bolting that one in now. Oh my God. Then once that's fit, then they're gonna cut the front or cut the rear fenders, do the same weld job that they did before, butter it up. Then it's time for another sanding party and get this thing primered and into paint. Jesus H fucking Christ. So on top of building 2 SEMA cars the last week, I'm also prepping for the No Coast Drift Party, which means we've moved 80 truckloads of dirt over here to build some gigantic dirt jumps for the Pro BMX guys. But the Junes are all here. They finished the Z32. Hi! And now I haven't been there for 3 days, so I haven't seen it, I haven't filmed it, so you're just gonna have to wait and see what it actually looks like when we reveal it at SEMA. So that's gonna be us. They fly out tomorrow at like 6:30 in the morning. They're missing No Coast. But that's okay. We'll see them again in October. We'll take the cars to Las Vegas with all the Rocket Bunny dudes, and we're gonna have a good time. So I'm tired and I'm signing off. Say bye, Junes.
Thank you.
Thank you.